Hello friends, today we will talk about Sun in the second house of Gemini Ascendant. In this video, we will see the effects of Sun concerning the finances of the person because the second house indicates the finances and this is one of the most important significations that we must see. Thereafter, we will see the other effects like his close family, taste of the person, his speech, his younger brothers and sisters, his father. In the end, I will talk about the remedies or precautions which are required, followed by the tip of the day. As you can see on my side, this is a Gemini Ascendant horoscope. In case you have a Gemini Ascendant horoscope yourself, you will find that number 3 is written in the Lagna or the first house. And 3 is the sign Gemini, the lord of which is Mercury. Sun in this horoscope is the lord of the third house where number 5 is written. 5 is the sign Leo which belongs to Sun and Sun is placed in the second house. The second house, as I already said, signifies finances. What we mean by finances is the bank balance of the person, the liquid cash, basically his movable property such as his jewelry, gems, stones, semi-precious stones, rubies, diamonds, gold, silver, all these kind of things. With Sun in this position, the person will make regular and continuous efforts to move forward in this direction. Like Sun always moves continuously, as we see from the earth, Sun moves regularly and continuously around the earth. Similarly, this person will make regular and continuous efforts to earn a lot of money. And one very important thing here will be that if Sun is in good dignity, then this person will give a lot of money to his close relations, his younger brothers, sisters, all close family members will always gain something or the other in the form of monetary help from this person. Regarding the speech of the person, the speech will have authority like a king. He will have authoritative speech and he will also speak very fast. One prominent thing here will be that this person will not be very fond of telling lies or listening to lies or incorrect things from people. He will be open and transparent in his speech and he will not hesitate to correct if someone is saying a wrong thing. Because of this, it may not be liked by other people some of the times. So, in case you have Sun in this position in your horoscope, you must exercise caution regarding this. Regarding the taste of the person would like to have hot food because Sun signifies heat and he will like to have a very high quality of food. The second house also signifies our eyes and Sun also signifies the eyes or the sight of a person. So in case Sun in the second house is under a malefic influence, in that case a person is likely to suffer from eye diseases, especially his right eye. From the second house, Sun will aspect the 8th house. The 8th house is the house of our inheritance. And in case the effect of Sun is good, then in this period, the person is likely to get some money in inheritance. The second house is also a Marak Sthan and Sun now in the second house will act as a Marak planet also to this person. Regarding the younger brothers and sisters, Sun being a male planet will give its blessings for the person to have a younger brother. The person will be attached to his younger brothers and sisters. However, there may be ego issues between the younger siblings and this person. During the period when Sun is active, the younger brother or sister of the person will lose some money or go abroad, or the younger brother or sister may give some money in gift to this person. Regarding the father of the person, as Sun signifies the father and father is signified by the 9th house. From the 9th house, Sun is placed in the 6th house from the 9th house. which signifies common illnesses, ailments. And so in this period, the father of the person is likely to undergo some kind of illnesses, ailments, and they may be related to sun, that is heat related issues, acidity in the stomach, or some issues of bone and heart. So far as the remedies are concerned, remedies of sun here are not really required, donations are not required, but because sun is a significator of money or finances, which are very important to a person, and so therefore we must pray to the Lord Sun and chant Gayatri Mantra. Also, if possible, in the morning one must get up and do Surya Namaskar if physical strength allows. Now regarding the of the day, many people who come to me, they begin doing their remedies or prayers straight away as they have been told. But please remember that as per our scriptures, every good activity must be started with prayers to Lord Ganesh Ji. So whatever remedy or whatever activity you want to do or whatever prayer you begin, first pray to Ganesh Ji and thereafter only do the other activities. That's all for today. See you next time. Thank you.